Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart 2023 Kia Sportage, updated. Park both vehicles, switch off ignitions, and set parking brakes before you begin. Identify the battery and the dedicated jump terminal under the hood on the Sportage, and check for corrosion or damage on cables. Keep a safe distance from moving parts, and use insulated gloves if available. If you feel unsure at any step, stop and seek assistance from a professional. Start by ensuring clamps do not touch each other once attached. After connecting red clamps to positive points, attach the donor black clamp to its negative battery terminal and the Sportage black clamp to a solid metal ground away from the battery. Keep cables clear of belts and fans, and make sure clamps are snug and secure. Double-check polarity before proceeding, and ask someone to stand by to help monitor lights and sound during the process. With cables connected properly, start the donor car and let it run for a few minutes to boost charge. Try starting the Sportage. If it starts, remove clamps in reverse order: ground black, donor black, Sportage positive, donor positive. Keep engine running on the Sportage and drive for at least 15 minutes to recharge its battery, or let it idle while monitoring electrical systems. If the vehicle fails to hold a charge, consider testing the battery and alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.